This sign has similarities to
These three faults.
number 1,
Failed car battery. Number 2.
failed kickstarter brush. Number 3,
Engine metal bearing.
in most situations,
These signs is referred to failed car battery fault
because it is rare the kickstarter brush and the engine metal bearing gets spoiled.
unless misused.
So when faced in this situation,
The first thing you do is to change your car battery.
if fault still continue,
Contact your electrician to check your kickstarter.
and if the fault still continues again,
Contact your mechanic to check your engine metal bearing.